To send emails with Python, first we need to go to this website, myaccount.google.com, and then we have to go to security, and then we have to scroll down, and turn on two-step verification. In the past, we could easily connect to Gmail with Python, by turning on less secure app access, but that option isn't available anymore. So what we have to do now, we have to go to app passwords. So I write here app passwords, then I press enter and we have to log in again. So here I'm gonna write my password and then I'm gonna click on next. So once we click on next, we're gonna see this page, then we click on the first drop down and select the option that says other custom name. Then we can write any name we want. In my case I'm going to write Python, and click on generate. After this we're going to get a pop-up and in the yellow box is our 16-character password, that we need to use to log into Gmail using Python. So now copy this 16-character password. So first we have to define the email sender, the password and that email receiver. So here I have the email sender, which is the email, where we turn on two-step verification, and where we got the 16-character password. So this is the email that I used, and well now I'm gonna write the password, but to avoid showing the password here. Okay, now import these. Okay, now, we have to define the subject, and the body of the email. Here I'm gonna write subject, this is the subject of this email, that I'm using for this test, and now I'm gonna write the body. So here I write body equal to, and here I'm gonna open triple quotes. This triple quotes allows me to write multiple lines. So this is the body of my email. Okay, now I write email message parenthesis, and set this equal to EM. First I write EM, and then open these square brackets and write from. So here we have to write the sender. And here we write email underscore sender, then we write EM, then open quotes and we write to. And in this case it is equal to the receiver. Then we have to define the subject. Finally we have to define the body of this email. So we have to use set underscore content method. Here we have to write ssl.create underscore default underscore context. This is going to be our context, and well I set this equal to context. Now everything is done and we can send our email. Now we have to define the email server, the port and the context. The email server is smtp.gmail.com. Then we have to use the port, which is 465, and finally we have to define the context. And write as SMTP. And well now we can log in, and also we can send that email. So first let's log in. Here I write email underscore sender, and email underscore password, and then let's send the email. Now we have to define the sender, and the receiver, and also the content of this mail. I write email underscore sender, then email underscore receiver, and then the EM object, and to give a proper format, I'm gonna use the asString method. So I run this code, and hopefully everything will be fine. And now I'm gonna check the inbox of my email, to see if I got a new email, and yes, here I see that I have a new email. By the way, if you get an SSL error, what you have to do, is go to your application. So I'm going here, and you have to search this Python folder, and inside this Python folder you will find a file named install-certificates.command, and once you find this file, you have to double-click on it to install some certificates, and after you install this, you shouldn't see any SSL error. If you like the videos of automation projects with Python, write in the comments, so that I can make more videos on this topic. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.